Hello, good morning, grade 4. Okay, hello, good morning. Till 26. Let's wait, let's wait for the rest. 26. So, is there anyone who wants to share about what did you do last week during your holiday? I can say it was, yeah, maybe some of you might went somewhere, or some of you just might just stay at home. We don't know. Now, if you have something interesting happen during your last holiday, why don't you share with us? Is there anyone who wants to share? Did you go to some, I don't know, maybe an interesting place to visit? Is there anything interesting you found when you visited this place? Something interesting. No one. So everyone just stayed at home? What?
Yes,
Oh my. What a boring holiday.
because because we cannot go to in anywhere in outside. There is a COVID-19.
Oh yeah. According to
I go to camping. I
according
go camping.
we cannot go outside because there is COVID-19. Nah, that's according to Owen. Okay, that's a good idea, Owen. Is there anyone who went somewhere? Maybe you just went around the city and then you went this place to get something.
I'm going to Tretes, ma'am.
Excuse me, who is that? Josephine.
Me. Yeah.
Josephine
I'm
went.
going to Chimori and buy a lot of yogurt and milk.
I love yogurt. Ooh.
At holiday, I go to camping.
On holiday you go for camping?
Yeah. Yes.
Wow.
I'm go to the mall.
I went. Don't say I go to. I went. Why I have to use went? I went to Bromo. Is there anyone who went to Bromo?
Of course not.
Hello, ma'am.
Mr. Adi said Bromo is closed. Now, can you guess where I went last holiday? It's not a holiday. I just have a spare time. I just have like a little bit like a short time to have an what is that to have a holiday, so I went somewhere with my family. Yeah, can you guess where I went? Is there anyone who can give me any ideas? Nah, any, maybe you can guess. What is guess? Guess where?
Nebak.
Yeah, tebak ya.
Nebak.
Yes, where did I go last holiday? It's not last holiday, just last Saturday. Last Saturday evening. Saturday evening, I went somewhere where I felt like, this is such a fresh air. I have never felt this air in Surabaya. So that's why I went to this place because I haven't had any this kind of air in Surabaya. I can have this air only in this kind of place. And then,
Satu.
yeah, okay, let's say someone say Batu. Okay.
Banten.
Malang.
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 Banten.
Okay. Mountain. Okay. And then Let me describe the place first, yeah? Let me describe the place and then you can guess where I went, okay? This place is very crowded, yeah? Very crowded that time because it was, what is that? Weekend. So I decided to avoid all those crowd. I decided to avoid. Avoid means menghindari, ya. Avoid that crowd because it's still like, I'm still like I can say afraid of the virus, ya. I'm still doing this kind of prevention, tindakan pencegahan ya because of the virus. So I always avoid the crowd, ya. So I always avoid the crowd. This place has a very fresh air. The wind blew at me so fresh, so I didn't feel like I need AC. I don't need AC anymore, yeah. So I decided to go around the place where there is less crowd, yang tidak seberapa rame ya. And then I saw there are some, I can say some rides, rides. There were just like, how do you call it, as Ferris wheel, and then there are roller coaster, there are what is that, bumpy car. I tried bumpy car. I tried to drive and I bump everyone, I don't know, yeah. And then I played, what else? Youth swing like a, what is that, like a big ship, that kind of swing. And then I guess that's all I took, that's all. So anyone, can you guess where I was?
Fun fair?
Come again?
Fun fair.
Fun fair, yeah, almost correct. Okay, almost correct. But this is really fresh. Do you think this place is in Surabaya?
No.
No, yeah, because Surabaya has, I can say, a pretty hot weather, yeah. Surabaya has a pretty hot weather. Is there anyone? No one can guess. This is just like, Chelsea, correct, Chelsea. We call it as amusement park. Very good. Juanita say Bali. That's so far, Juanita. Juanita asked me to go to Bali, ya, Juanita. Thank you, ya, Juanita. I will go to Bali someday, ya, when I have a really long holiday, ya. Okay. I guess it must maybe after this COVID-19 is over, I will go to Bali, okay? Let's go to Bali together, okay? In our dream, okay? Amusement park, correct. Have you heard about amusement park? What is amusement park? Amusement park. Arvin, what are you doing? Yes, amusement park is a park where you can see kinds of rides and you ride it. There are lots of fun. There are lots of fun you can find there. You can ride this kind of ride, this kind of this, that, many things, yeah? We call it as amusement park. The air is really fresh, I believe, yeah? I don't know, Audrey. Audrey say pelajarannya apa ya katanya. I don't know, Audrey. Korean, ya. I'm going to teach you Korean. Okay, Audrey? Ya. Audrey is nge-freeze, ya. Your cam is frozen. Your cam is frozen, but but you asked me, what are we learning today, Sisi? Yeah. Now, look, this amusement park has lots of things. It has roller coaster, it has Ferris wheel, it has bumpy cars, it has merry-go-round. You know merry-go-round? What is merry-go-round? No one knows.
Kayak ada kuda-kuda gitu.
Yeah, correct, Chelsea. Kuda-kuda itu loh meme yang berputar-putar itu. Ya, correct. We call it as merry-go-round. It has also a ghost kind of thing. Ghost house or something like that. Yeah, ghost up, whatever. And it has also,
Haunted house.
yeah, it also has 4D cinema, 4D movie, whatever, yeah, you call it as. I did not go to that 4D, but my daughter, anaknya Mem itu yang gede sekali itu ya, yang 13 years old, she went there to the 4D movie cinema, yeah, whatever, yeah. I don't like it. I just want to feel the fresh air. Now, let me ask you. Audrey, ini pertanyaannya aneh ya. Ketemu sama Mem ini pelajarannya apa ya? Ya, Audrey, you have too many holidays ya. Too long holidays. Until Audrey doesn't know what I'm going to teach ya. Okay, Audrey, good job. Okay, look, just like the amusement park, it has this, that, this, that, this, that. And then what about you? What do you have that you think it's very fun, that it makes you feel like, I like this. I don't know why when I have this is very interesting. It's so fun. What do you have? Let me ask you, Abner. Abner, what do you have when you think that this thing, or I don't know what is it, you feel like this is fun. I want to do it like again and again, over and over. What is that? What do you have?
Play a game, man.
A game again? That's boring for me. What kind of game?
Battleground.
Come again?
Battleground.
You type it. I cannot hear you properly. Type it. Okay. According to Abner, remember, yeah, when we have something interesting for ourselves, it doesn't mean it is as interesting as your friends, yeah. It is okay. You cannot say, no, that's not good, that's bad, that's not interesting, that's no fun. You cannot say that because each of us has different interests, yeah. Each of us has different interests. So you cannot blame Abner for loving this kind of game, yeah. Let me see what kind of game. Oh, Abner said battleground game. Battleground game. Wow, what kind of game? It must be like battle, yeah. Okay. So Abner like having war. Okay. Let's ask very interesting for me, yeah, to ask this student. Emmanuel, I want to know what makes you very interesting or it is fun for you. What do you have, Emmanuel?
Go to the Bali.
Oh, go to Bali. Okay, when you go to Bali, what activities or what you do that make you feel like this is fun, this is interesting? Yes, Emmanuel? What makes you think it is fun and interesting?
Play in the Bali.
Yeah, play where? In what kind of place? Do you want to play all over Bali? You play in Bali, huh? You play in Bali. What do you play? In what place? Battleground game, and then now Emmanuel.
Go to the Bali.
Go to what?
Go to the
Go to the
Pantai.
Bali. Go to the Bali. Don't say go to the.
Go to the
Go to the beach. Oh, go to the beach. Okay, I love beaches. Yeah. Next, thank you, Emmanuel. What about you, Nirwan? I want to ask Nirwan. Nirwan, what do you have that make you think like this is interesting? This is fun. I like it. I love doing this.
Play roller coaster.
Playing roller coaster. Oh, for Nirwan, this is interesting. Is there anything interesting you do at home other than playing roller coaster? What you do at home?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, nothing is
Yes.
interesting at home, yeah. Okay, Nirwan, thank you. What about you, Owen? Owen, let's ask Owen.
I'm not going to anywhere. I'm stay at home.
I know you stay at the home. What I ask you is that what do you
But
have?
I in
What do you have?
home I
Hmm?
study okay English and then less and then writing my
Wow.
BL.
English. I like
I'll
you study, doing
take
homework. Yeah. Good boy. Do you think studying is interesting to do?
Of course not interesting.
Oh, of course not. You say studying is not interesting. You are very honest ya. Jujur sekali ya Owen ya. Of course not interesting katanya. It should be interesting ya. What about you, Jack? Jack? What do you have, Jack?
Go to the mall.
Go to the mall, yeah, just like all the girls, yeah. Biasa cewek. What makes you think this is interesting? Go to the mall, man, shopping, and have this and have that, buy things, and then I hope many bags, shopping, guys, yeah. And then,
Oh, but
you,
I
mm,
go to the mall just pay the food. Because I
okay.
go.
I love going to the mall, but what I don't love is that spending the money, ya. Mem suka sekali ke mall, tapi nggak suka adalah pakai uang itu mem yang nggak suka, ya. Oke, oke, we are not going to talk about the mall, ya. Okay, now mem will share a screen, just like, yeah, we are going to learn something new today, but it is still, yeah, still the same about our last, I can say, last discussion is almost the same, yeah. You use these tenses, same, yeah. Now, I'd like you to, hands up, I'd like to share a screen. Hands up, okay? Everybody, listen to ma'am and check. Now check. I have, okay, 3 packs. Ma'am has 3 packs of sentences. Ma'am has 3 packs of sentences. Pack 1, pack 2, pack 3. Take a look. Ma'am has 3 packs of sentences. Pack 1, pack 2, and pack 3. Now, let's see. Now, let me ask you, beside all the sentences almost the same, they also have differences. Okay? They also have differences. Mereka juga berbeda, ada yang sama, ada yang berbeda. Now, let me ask you, now check pack 1. Ya, this is pack 1 ya, sentence pack 1. Ini yang pack 1 ya, paket pertama. Nah, let me ask to Gali. Gali, did you see, do you see similarity? Apakah you melihat persamaan Gali in these 2 sentences? She has a dog, I have a dog. Is there any similarity, Gali? Gali, where are you, Gali? Answer, ma'am. Gali. Gali always like this. Vio. Is there any similarity? Nah, similarity. Persamaan. Nah, similar. Vio. I guess no one can hear me, ya. Every time I call them, they don't answer. Correct? Tata. Tata. Tata just left me, ya. I don't know. Daniel. Nah, Daniel will always answer me, yeah? I know him. What about you, Daniel? Did you see any similarity in these two sentences?
Yang part 1 ini bedanya subjek.
I asked you the similarity. Similarity.
Bedanya have.
Honey bunny, cookie. I asked you the similarity. Similar means same. Similar means same. Sorry? Okay, good. Both of them have a dog. Okay, good. What about the differences?
Oh, yang different itu subjek sama have.
Okay, good job. The differences are the subject used, ma'am. The subject, the first one used she. The second one used I. And of course, the verb will be different. When you use she, the verb will be has. Everyone focus, yeah? When I ask you and you cannot answer, don't blame ma'am, yeah? The first one, the subject is she. The second one, the subject is I. Of course, when you use different subject, she and I, you also have different verb. How do you call for has and have? What part of speech are these words? Has and have? What part of speech? Kason. Iya, Kason. Has, have. What part of speech are those words? Has and have. Kason? Cannot answer, ma'am. Verb. Kason said verb. Raphael, where are you? It's all dark, Raphael. I cannot see you. Raphael. What about you, Kalista? What part of speech is has and have?
Verb.
Verb. What about you, Angeline? Has and have. What part of speech are those? Angeline.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, Angeline, answer, ma'am. Don't call me ma'am, ma'am, again and again.
Has Miss ma'am.
Oh, see? So it means you do not listen to ma'am. Huh? You do not listen to ma'am. It is now you mute. What about you, Edgar? Edgar, what part of speech are has and have?
Kenapa, ma'am?
Loh, you do not listen to ma'am. What part of speech has and have? It's always the same question, but you do not listen, yeah? How many times should I repeat the question? Okay, Edgar cannot answer. What about you, Fayed? Fayed.
Yes.
Has and have, Fayed. What kind of part of speech are those? Has and have. Cannot answer.
Have.
I said, what part of speech? You say have. Felicia, what part of speech are has and have?
Ma'am, mau buka pintu kamar ya, panas.
Felicia cannot answer, ma'am. Okay, so you never listen to ma'am, yeah? What about you, Eileen? What part of speech are has and have?
Ini.
Yes.
Bentar, ma'am. Ini Mama lagi telepon jadi agak berisik ya.
What about you, Giovanno?
Verb, ma'am.
Very good. What about you, Jill Elsafan? He doesn't answer. Clarissa.
Apa, ma'am? Suaranya agak putus-putus, ma'am.
Yeah, again, yeah, I have to repeat the question like forever. Yeah, you never listen. What about you, Michael? Michael do not answer. Evelyn. Everyone, yeah. All those scam who are off, yeah, I will call you. Yes, Evelyn? What? I do not listen to ma'am. I don't care, ma'am. I have something more important to do than listening to you, ma'am. Yeah? Good job, grade 4, yeah? Good job. Dayu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer, ma'am.
Tadi kurang jelas, ma'am, suaranya, ma'am.
You cannot, yeah, you do not listen, right? What about you, Olive?
5, ma'am.
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
5, ma'am.
5? What do you mean 5? What about you, Daniel? Okay, what about you, Nirwan?
Verb, ma'am.
What about you, Jackson?
Verb, ma'am.
What about you, Emmanuel?
Verb.
What about you, Abner?
Verb.
See, when you listen to ma'am, you can answer ma'am, ya. When you listen to ma'am, you can answer ma'am. Lihat itu yang bisa jawab. Abner, Jackson, Emmanuel, Nirwan, Daniel, ya. They listen to ma'am, so I don't have to repeat the question again and again. Yeah, that's why. Pay attention, focus. You're getting worse, grade 4. You are getting worse. Kalian tambah memburuk, ya. Getting worse, memburuk, ya. Because you never listen. That's your problem. Okay, good job for all those students who answer verb, and that's correct, ya. Benar. Has, have belongs to verb, ya. Has, have is a verb, ya. Good. And then look, what does it mean? Now let me ask you, what is the meaning if the meaning in these both sentences? She has a dog, I have a dog. What does has and have mean in here? Let me ask Jennifer. Okay, Jennifer cannot answer. What about you, Edgar? Edgar cannot answer. What about you, Michelle?
Yeah, ma'am.
You did not hear my question is? Good. Chelsea.
Punya.
Yes?
Punya.
Okay, thank you, Chelsea. Chelsea said punya. What about you, Giovanno?
Mempunyai.
What about you, Eileen?
Mempunyai.
Okay, what about you, Felicia? Sorry, I cannot hear you, Feli. Okay, thank you. What about you, Leonel?
Mempunyai.
What about you, Fayed? Fayed, sit nicely, Fayed. What about you, Fayed? I cannot hear you. What about you, Annabelle? Annabelle cannot answer. I don't know what is Raphael doing. Raphael, what are you doing, Raphael? Angeline is gone. Juanita.
Mempunyai.
Okay, good job. See? When you listen to ma'am, you can answer. When you cannot, you don't want to listen to ma'am, you cannot answer. That's your problem. Ya, itu masalahnya grade 4. You have bad ears. Bukan telinganya yang jahat, orangnya yang jahat yang nggak mau dengarkan ma'am. Ya, yang bisa jawab nggak perlu ma'am ulang-ulang terus pertanyaannya ma'am. Tapi pasti sudah bisa jawab ketika mem tanya satu, tanya pertanyaan untuk semuanya sama. Nggak nanya apa mem? Apa mem? Tanyaannya apa mem? It means you do not listen, you do not pay attention to mem. So don't ask mem to pay attention to you. Ya, kalau you nggak pernah dengarkan mem, jangan minta mem mendengarkan kalian. You nggak mau memperhatikan mem, jangan minta mem memperhatikan kalian. Ya. Jangan, ya. We have to be fair.
Soalnya mem, soalnya putus.
Ya, fair play, ya. Next. Okay, good job for all those students who answer has and have means possess or own means possess or own. Maksudnya apa, mem? Memiliki atau mempunyai. Correct. Good job. Now let's go to the second pack. Second pack. This is the second pack. Nah. She has a sandwich for breakfast. I have a sandwich for breakfast. Now, can you see there are some differences and also similarities? Yeah, in 7 minutes we are going to end. Rejoin, yeah, rejoin. You have to join again, yeah, join again. Okay, join again. Annabelle, you stop laughing, Annabelle. I ask you, but you do not answer. You do not pay attention to ma'am. You keep laughing. I don't know what you're looking at. You look at left and right. I don't know, yeah? She has a sandwich for breakfast. I have a sandwich for breakfast. Let me ask Leonel. I guess Leonel is very sleepy. Leonel, are you sleepy, Leonel? Leonel is sleepy. Okay, Leonel. Let me ask you, Leonel. What are the differences? What are the differences between these two sentences? Yes?
She has, I have.
Okay, that's the difference. She, we use has, I using have. Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Now, let me ask you, what is the difference between this first pack and the second pack? This first pack and second pack. Tadi, paket yang pertama sama paket yang kedua. What is the difference?
Nanti kalau ini push lagi ya.
Who is answering me? I asked Leonel, not everyone else. I asked Leonel. Yes, Leonel?
Yang nomor 1 have a dog. Yang nomor 2 have a sandwich for breakfast.
Oh, is that the differences?
Yes.
Itu bedanya. Now let me ask anyone else. Is there any more differences between the first pack and the second pack? Let me ask. Wait. Ya, Audrey. Yes? Is there anyone has any ideas about the differences? Perbedaannya, mem. The first pack and the second pack. Come on. If you read it carefully, you understand. If you read it carefully, you will understand the differences. Come on. Read carefully, understand it. You will understand and you will answer.
Mel, aku join lagi ya.
Is there anyone who can answer?
Ma'am, yang leg 1 itu gak ada time signalnya, kalau leg 2 ada time signalnya.
Both of them, they don't have any time signal, ya. Yeah, Jason, let me ask Jason. Yeah, Jason.
Subjeknya yang beda, memang makanya ada has sama have-nya itu beda.
If there is cheese, yeah, cheese, Wizard. Look, you should look at the first spec. I know the difference. One of them she, one of them have. Okay, she has, I have. But what I want to know is that the difference between the two pack. Dua-duanya ini apa bedanya? Yang has a dog and has a sandwich. Have a dog, have a sandwich. Ah, come on. You should find the differences. Iya, Jack, I know, Jack. Iya, apa bedanya, Jack? Ayo.
There is adverb, ma'am.
Adverb, Abner. Oke, ada adverb. Oke, is there anyone else? Iya, sudah benar, Abner. Almost. Ayo, you add more. Now look at the meaning. I give you a clue. The meaning. Nah, the meaning. Thank you.
Kepunyaan, kepemilikan.
Which one is kepunyaan? First one.
Dua-duanya.
Oh, dua-duanya kepunyaan. Oke.
Enggak, yang I have a dog.
Ya, itu kepunyaan. And then the second one?
I have...
Chelsea said the stuff is different. Yeah, good job, Chelsea. But what is the meaning in here? Yeah, thank you, yeah, Chelsea, correct. Oh, I guess our new student has raised his hand. Now, please, Amar. What's your answer, Amar? You raise your hand. What's your answer, Amar? Hello, Amar.
I don't know, Miss Ma'am.
Oh, Amar say he doesn't know. Okay, but you did.
Kepencet.
Oh, kepencet. Okay, no problem. Okay, is there anyone? I guess let me ask to the English master, Daniel. Daniel, where are you, Daniel?
Aku gak bisa karena aku gak tahu tiba-tiba bagian bawah perutku itu kok ini sakit-sakit sendiri kayak gitu.
Apa yang kecil-kecil?
Bukan perutku itu loh, kok aneh itu jadi sakit kayak gitu.
Oh, perutnya sakit. Oh, I see. Join again ya, after 2 minutes ya. Ya, Daniel.
Habis putus sih, join lagi enggak?
Iya, Audrey, how many times should I tell you?
Iya.
Okay.
Mama di sini istirahat apa langsung join lagi?
Oh,
Yang ditanyain tadi loh.
Join lagi.
gemes lo ya memnya ini ya. Okay, no one can answer. Let me ask Emmanuel. Emmanuel, what can you see? The first pack and the second pack. Look at the meaning. When we look at the meaning, Emmanuel, come on. You have to find out. Harus cari ini ya. I will call Emmanuel, Ethan, Abner, and then Giovanno, Daniel, Nirwan, Kalista, and then siapa lagi? Yeah, answer ma'am. Come on. You have to find. This is just like finding a treasure in the island, yeah? Finding the treasure, okay? Ayo, if you can find out the answer, yeah, I will give you plus, yeah, plus. I give you plus on your mid test project. I give you plus. Kalau aku selesai, nulis aja langsung, cepet kok. Harus pakai ini, misal alat peraga. Contoh, misal ada pizza potongan 4 sama pizza potongan 8. Kayak gini nih alat peraga, suruh ini ngeprint pizza nanti. Satunya potongan 4 sama potongan 8, potongan 6, 12 gitu loh, Mister. Dua ini nanti sama dengan yang di 4 potongan berapa gitu loh.
Waktu masuk ke soal 1/2 sama dengan titik 4 ya, atasnya kan titik-titik. Itu mereka nggak bisa, bro. Tadi dia menarasi atau mewarnai ya. Jadi apa? Misalnya caranya dapat angka 2 itu dari mana?
Oke, Ayo, ting. Ayo, the master.
Halo, Ma'am.
I recall all those English master. Yo, master. There are many master in English, yeah, in grade 4. Many of them, yeah. Leonel, Chelsea, Emmanuel, Nirwan, Kalista, and then Kaysen is also good, yeah. And then Agner, and then Emmanuel, Jackson, and then Giovanni, Edgar, Daniel, and then who else? Audrey, Juanita, yeah. There are many master, yeah, in grade 4. Now, master, all those master, I call all those master. Find out what is the difference between the first pack and the second pack. Raise hand first. Yeah, raise hand. Hands up first. Let me share the screen again. Yeah. Now, I call all those master. Come on, find the answer. Come on. Hello.
I know.
Yes, who is this?
Jacqueline.
Okay, Jack. What is your answer, Jack?
The adjective.
Where is the adjective? Is there any adjective?
No, that's what.
Okay, try again, Jack. No problem. Try again. Arvin. Yes, Arvin. Iya, Daniel. I know. Bedanya satunya dog, satunya sandwich, ma'am. I know that. I mean, come on. I know you can do this. Yeah. Think.
Has and have-nya beda.
Yes, Audrey, what is that? Kenapa has and have-nya beda? What do you mean?
Has and have-nya berbeda, maybe.
Iya, berbeda. Yang mana yang berbeda? Has and have-nya beda, ma'am. Kenapa kok beda? Sama ini. The first pack has and have. Second pack also has and have. Yang mana? Beda yang mana? Leonel, the verb study. Yeah, which one? Ayo, come on. Let me give you the clue. The meaning.
I know.
Yes, Juanita?
The second pack is mean it.
Hey, good job, Juanita. Yeah, we should give applause to Juanita. Okay, good job, Juanita. Okay, good. Look, the first one, when you look at the first pack, it means you possess or you own. You mempunyai. But the second one means you eat. You know what I mean? For example, I have spaghetti for lunch. Masa saya mempunyai spaghetti buat makan siang? Nah, so it means in the second pack, has and have means eat. Okay, makan. Good job, Juanita. Thank you. Now let's go to the third pack. The third one. They have used has and have, the same one. Just like the first and the second one. But the thing is that, what are the differences? Come on. Now, all those master, go down first. Let's go down. The master stop first. Okay? The master stop. Give another chance to the others. Let's call Annabelle, Angeline, and Michael, Larissa, Owen, and the rest of you. Michelle. Come on. What are the differences? Let me ask you.
We
Yes, Owen.
the different has and have is going to verb with UTV, and then has with he, she, it, and then he, she, it, and I, and plural subject.
Okay, good job,
It's
Owen.
not different.
Yeah, of course, yeah, when she, he, it will be using has. And singular, noun, good. When they, I, you, we, they, yeah, they, we, you, I, or plural noun, we use have. Good job, Owen. What I want to ask is that, what is the difference between the first, second, and the third with the third? Come on, with the third.
Me.
Yes, who is that me? Me. Who is that me? Hello.
Me, ma'am.
Oh, Serafin. Okay, Serafin. What's your answer?
The second, the verb is eating. The third, the verb is studying.
Okay,
Study.
verb is eat. Okay, the second one. The third one, the verb is study. Okay, good job. That's correct. Benar itu memang. But I need something that it shows the difference. Yang menunjukkan perbedaannya. Nah, come on. But that's correct. Who is that me? Abner. Okay, what's your me?
Yang kedua itu dia tuh eating. Yang ketiga itu dia itu ingin melakukannya waktu kedepannya, mem.
Oh, melakukan untuk waktu ke depan. Almost
Jadi, bukan
correct.
sekarang.
Almost correct. Almost correct.
Ma'am.
Almost. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
kalau
And verbnya
yang pack 2 itu eating, tapi yang pack 3 itu harus.
Who is this answering? Pack to eating, pack 3 harus.
Nirwan.
Okay, give applause to Nirwan. Okay, good job, good job. Good job. The second one means eating, eat. The third one means harus, as same as must. That's why it is followed by verb 1. Kenapa itu diikuti oleh verb 1? So, today, just like what you did already on your homework, we are going to learn about has, have, has to, and have to. See, all those master are brilliant. Sudah pinter-pinter masternya ya. Okay, the first one. We have taught on the first pack, right? First pack tadi, has and have means possess or own. Has and have artinya memiliki or mempunyai. We use subject, has and have plus noun. Diikuti oleh apa kalau artinya yang mempunyai? Diikuti oleh noun. This is noun. See? Diikuti oleh noun. Oke. Diikuti oleh apa? Kalau diikuti oleh apa artinya mempunyai? Duh, tidak didengarkan. Sedih memnya. Diikuti oleh noun, artinya mempunyai. Ingat-ingat ya. Oke. Ingat-ingat kalau ada noun setelah has or have berarti mempunyai. She has a dog. Take a look. She doesn't have a dog. Negatif ya. She doesn't. Has become doesn't have. Remember, has become doesn't have. Interrogative, doesn't have, you have to change into does for the first one. Does she have? Okay, has, doesn't have, does she have? But for the I have, become don't have, and then do you have? Have, don't have, do you have? So the first use of has and have is to show possession. Untuk menunjukkan kepemilikan, menunjukkan kepunyaan. Because followed by noun, karena diikuti oleh kata benda. Sampai di sini mengerti? Kenapa mem kok artinya mempunyai? Karena diikuti oleh kata benda. Loh mem, tadi spaghetti and then sandwich juga benda, kok artinya makan? Karena diikuti oleh nama makanan. Nah, take a look. Name when it is followed by excuse me ya. When it is followed by food ya, name of a food, it means eat. Nah, take a look. When has and have means eat. When it is followed by food. Kalau diikuti makanan, nanti artinya jadi makan, bukan mempunyai. Mengerti sampai sini? Ya. Kalau has and have diikutin makanan, artinya bukan mempunyai, tapi makan. Oke, tapi makan. Oke. Next, what about have? I have. I don't have. Do you have? Oke, easy ya. We have learned this in simple present ya, seperti ini ya, same. Next, the third one. Nah, yang tadi, ayo diingat-ingat ini is kind of different ya. Nanti mem akan mix. Ada has, have to, doesn't have to, don't have to, campur jadi satu. Don't get confused ya. Jangan bingung. Next, look. The third meaning of has and have. The third meaning of has and have. Arti yang ketiga dari has and have, when it is followed by to. Kalau ditambah to, lu ada to-nya, to. It means must, artinya harus. Ya, kalau ada has and then have, ditambah to, artinya harus. Ya, artinya harus. Has and then to, ya, artinya harus. So that's why it has to be followed by verb 1. Karena itu harus diikuti verb 1. Ini contohnya. Nah, ya. Harus diikuti verb 1. Has, have to plus verb 1. So, she has to study. She doesn't have to. Has berubah menjadi have kalau ke negatif, diingat-ingat ya. Doesn't have to. Interrogatif, does she have to? Ya. Next, yang I have. I have to study. I don't have to study. Do you have to study? Nah. So far, is there any question? Before we go to the LKS, I want to know some of you that who did not do the homework. Ya, yang tidak kerja pasti mem tahu ya begini ya. Yes. Is there any question? Let me ask. Okay, Evelyn. Okay, come on. No one? So, let me repeat once again. There are 3 meanings of has and have. 3 meaning of has and have. 1, has and have means to possess, untuk mempunyai atau memiliki, yang artinya mempunyai or memiliki. Diikuti noun, mempunyai. Second one, has and have means makan, if it is followed by name of a food. Ya, diikuti nama makanan, berarti artinya makan. The third one, has and have means must, when it is followed by to. Kalau ditambah itu artinya must. Must means harus. So it must be followed by verb 1. Has have first one is mempunyai. The second one means makan. The third one means harus, but it's followed by 2 and then verb 1. Has have noun, has have food, has have 2, verb 1. Okay, is there any question grade 4 before we go to the LKS? Is there any question? Amar, you stop playing with your phone, Amar. Is there any question? I guess all of you understand already. Okay, now why don't we go to the LKS and then open page 24. Let me call your name one by one. Show me your LKS on the cam. I wanna ask, I wanna know you did the homework or not. If you do not, I'm gonna give you more and more, yeah? Yes. Let me ask Daniel. Show me. Oh, kalau Daniel, I trust Daniel. Ya. Yes. Oke,
Aku masih
Fajar.
belum punya LKS-nya, Mem.
Iya. Hah? Who is this?
LKS bahasa Inggris, Mem.
Who is this? Who is this talking? Siapa ini yang bicara?
Amar.
Mem kan sudah mengingatkan Amar. Mem juga sudah mengingatkan Mama Amar. Kenapa tidak fotokopi? Karena Amar masuknya kan pertengahan, ya toh? Ayo. Mem sudah
I don't know.
No, you ask your mommy, ya. Ask your mommy, be a good student. When you go to school, you need a book, okay? Yes. Okay, Owen. Leonel, where is yours?
And you
Okay,
study.
Chelsea. I cannot see yours, Annabelle. Jason, show me yours. Emmanuel. Okay, Leonel. Okay, Owen. Nirwan. Felicia, okay. Annabelle, okay. Nirwan, okay. Louis, okay. Josephine. Now, Mem nggak lihat itu aja. Now, open the last page. Nah, Mem mau lihat yang the last page. Biasanya kerjanya hanya depan-depan aja. Last page nggak dikerjakan. Open page 26 and 27. 26 and 27. 26 and 27. Let me see, 26 and 27. Owen, good job. Chelsea, good job. Evelyn, 26, 27, Evelyn. Annabelle, okay, good job. Josephine, okay. Pelly, okay. Amel, okay. Louis, okay. Nirwan, okay. Kalista, okay. Edna, okay. Emmanuel, okay. Jackson, okay. Seraphine, okay. Rachel, okay. Daniel, okay. Payet, okay. Audrey, okay. Dayu, okay. Giovanna, okay. Let's wait for Angeline, Gio Elsafan, Juanita. Where is yours, Gio Elsafan? Gio Elsafan. Angeline. Ya, enggak kerja PR minus nanti nilai project English-nya ya. Yes. Arvin, kok blur ya kameranya Arvin? Tata, page 27, Tata. Loh, Gio siapa enggak nunjukin nama Angeline? Ya, bandel ternyata ya. Enggak nunjukin. Larissa oke. Michelle oke. Tata oke. Jennifer, Kaisen, turn on your cam. Giovanna, Where is yours, Juanita? Brian, where is yours? Page 27. Open page 27. Where is Brian? He's gone again. Brian. Kok dipanggil keluar langsung. Oh, ini yang malas-malas jadi tahu Mem ya. Brian, Joel Savan, Angeline. Oke, Vio. Joel Savan ini, what's your problem, Gio? Gio, you have a problem, Gio. Gio ini bermasalah, Gio ini ya. Tidak pernah mendengarkan perintah. Tidak pernah mau memperhatikan. Tidak mengerjakan PR, ya. Gio Elsavan, ya. Nanti lihat hasilnya ya, Gio ya. Ya, Arvin, oke. Olive, oke. Michael, oke. Oke. Angel ini loh nge-freeze terus dari tadi, Mem ditinggali terus saya dari tadi Angel ini. Ya. Jangan sampai miring, Mister. Nah. Oke. Yo, oke Aileen, oke Evelyn. Okay, now let's go to page 25. Iya, oke. Let's go to page 25. Ayo, didengarkan ya. Answer the question, fill in the blank using have or has. Remember, have and has. Have for Devi, Ayu, and plural noun. Has, he, she, it, or singular noun. Okay? Ya, Jackson oke, Jackson oke, put it down. Dayu oke, I trust you. Mem tahu kalau Mem bilang sudah oke, berarti Mem I know you ya. Mem tahu kalian disiplin ya. Mem suruh gitu, Mem pengen tahu yang nggak disiplin ya tetap aja. Joel Savan, Angeline. Brian, where is yours? Kenapa sedikit sekali kalimatnya ya? Jacqueline, where is yours? Jack?
Bentar, Mem.
Okay, number 1. Let me ask you, number 1. Ya, number 1. Absen number 1. Ebner, Yonar.
Oke. Yang part 4 ya, Mem?
Part 1, page 24. Page 24, part 1. Page 24.
She has blonde hair and blue eyes.
Good job. She has. Number 2. After Ebner. Duh, enggak tahu gilirannya gini Mem enggak suka lo ya. Mesti harus panggil-panggil. Enggak pakai aku, langsung baca. Mem enggak suka seperti itu. Kalau sudah waktunya langsung baca. Enggak pakai Mem panggil-panggil ya. Enggak suka Mem. Next. Mr. Amir has 2 brothers. Okay, good. Next. 3. Loh, kok diem yang 3? 3.
Audrey, Mem.
Nggak tahu Audrey ini kenapa. Skip, lama. Next, number 4. Ayo, absen 4.
Mem, suaranya kecil, aku lihat dulu ya.
Enggak kan? Di file itu tadi. Belum tak kirim ke kamu sih. Contoh tuh. Tangannya aja ini skin. Gampang lah itu. PPT habis ini. Itu masalah selesai. Hello, number 4. You grade 4? You so long ya. Ayo,
Everything.
Huh? Oke. Teruskan, lanjutkan. Saya kurang, saya. Apa sih? Saya.
Right.
Your number 1. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. She has, correct? Dibenarkan. Mem yang jawab kalian benarkan. Kalau sampai salah banyak awas ya. Kalau ada coretan atau stipo berarti itu kalian salah jawabannya. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. Number 1 has. Number 2 has. Number 3 have. Number 4 has. Has. Number 5 have. Number 6 has. Number 7 have. Number 8 has. Number 9 has. Number 10 have. Number 10 have. 11 have. 11 have. 12 have. 13 has. Ada tanda tangan loh teman saya. Kayak pengesahan gitu. Yang belum sih sama kamu. Judulnya gantiin di SD Mandala gitu. SD Mandala 2. Iya. Number 13, my mother has a long hair. 14, it has. 14 has. 15 has. That mall has. 16 has. Has again. Double has. Has. 17 have. 18 has. 19 has. 20 has. Okay? Finish? No mistake ya? Next, part 2. Part 2. Look at the pictures and you answer with has, have, don't have, or doesn't have. Okay? Number 1, part 2 ya. Number 1. He doesn't have a cat. Doesn't have. It is not a cat. Itu bukan cat ya. He doesn't have a cat. Number 2. He doesn't have 2 mouths. He doesn't have 2 mouths. He doesn't have. Number 3. He has 3 eyes. 3 eyes. Number 4. He has big ears. So, doesn't have, has. Doesn't have, has. Next, number 5. Has. Number 5, has. Yuk, 10 minutes, we are going to finish ya. Mister, you want to write agenda? Ya, after this agenda ya. Sampai sini dulu ya, number 8 ya. Tomorrow we continue, okay? Number 6, doesn't have. Number 6, doesn't have. Number 7, Doesn't have. Number 8, has. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Has, doesn't have, has. Has, doesn't have, has. Okay. Now part 3. Mem ajari cara jawabnya ya. Harus lengkap part 3. Mem enggak mau hanya yes he does. No, he doesn't. No. Should be complete cara jawabnya part 3. For example, look at the mouse, the monster on the right. Does he have a big mouth? Yes. The answer is yes, he does. Yes, he does. Full stop, titik. Lalu ditambahin lagi, he has a big mouth. Understand? Yes, he does. He has a big mouth. Nah, harus lengkap. Nggak mau hanya, yes, he does. No, he doesn't. No. Yes, he does. He has a big mouth. Number 2. Does he have 7 teeth? No.
No.
He doesn't. Iya. No, he doesn't. He doesn't have 7 teeth. So there are 2 lines. Ada 2 sentence to answer. Yes, he does.
Ma'am,
He has a big mouth. No, he doesn't. He doesn't have 7 teeth. Yes, Leonel?
boleh kayak gini. No, he doesn't. He has 4 teeth.
Boleh, tapi setelah he doesn't have 7 teeth. He has 4 teeth. Ngerti maksudnya, Mem?
Ma'am, yang number 1 boleh nggak yang kayak gini? Yes, he has a big mouth.
Yo gak boleh sayang, kalau yes itu selalu yes he does karena tanyanya pakai does. Jadi yes he
Itu kan
does.
bilang
Kenapa? Itu kan bukan apa? Bukan manusia.
itu kan answer complete.
Apa ngomong? Kalau ngomong jangan ditutup dulu, di mute dulu, belum selesai ngomong sudah di mute. Jadi memang enggak dengar jelasin. Itu kan jelep. Ini kan jelep gitu memang dengarnya. Itu kan apa? Itu kan
Answer completely.
yes. So,
Itu answer completely.
loh kan tadi Mem bilang answer completely. Berarti kan yes, he does. He has a big mouth. No, he doesn't. He doesn't have 7 teeth. He has 4 teeth. Boleh kayak gitu. Ya. Oke, grade 4. Let's continue.
Kalau aku jawab yes.
Until number 9 ya. Sama 25, you have to draw an alien just look like that one. Seperti itu. Oke? Get ready your agenda. Mister, agenda. I'll see you again tomorrow, grade 4. Bye-bye. Let's write agenda first ya. Bye-bye, grade 4.
Bye-bye.
PR apa? Nggak ada.
Ma'am, kapan kita nulis agenda?
You apa bisa?
Habis ini.
Gak apa-apa, aku kasih 1 jam aja. Yang penting kamu selesai.
Yo, text out your agenda. Mister mau tanya dulu, siapa yang belum mengumpulkan PTS? Ya, siapa yang masih belum mengumpulkan PTS? Karena masih ada yang belum mengumpulkan PTS-nya. Mister minta jujur. Kalau kalian jujur di sini, ya, Mister masih tidak Mister isi 0. Mister kasih strip, ya. Daripada Mister kasih 0. Siapa yang belum? PTS-nya yang belum. Siapa yang PTS-nya belum dikumpulkan?
Aku Mister tinggal 2 Mister belum dikumpulin.
Oke, Angelin jujur ya. Angelin enggak Mister kasih 0. Walaupun belum Mister kasih strip. Ya, nanti di PTS-nya dengarkan Angelin. Tidak Mister kasih 0, Mister kasih strip. Artinya belum mengumpulkan. Yang enggak jujur Mister kasih 0. Ya. Siapa yang belum? Kalau Amar biar. Amar memang ikut PTS. Amar gabung sama Mister. Siapa yang lagi yang belum? Siapa yang belum mengumpulkan PTS?
Soalnya katanya mama
Ya,
waktu
Angelin,
itu
it's
aku
okay.
minta bantuin mama.
Ya, it's okay, Angelin.
Papa,
Sudah.
tunggu
Sudah.
papa aja katanya.
Waktunya Mister juga tinggal sedikit. Siapa lagi? Gak ada yang mau ngaku. Hanya Angelin yang ngaku. PTS yang belum mengumpulkan. Brian, PTS-nya sudah dikumpulkan. Brian, PTS-nya sudah dikumpulkan.
Sudah, Mister.
Siapa lagi yang nggak dengarkan? Siapa lagi yang belum mengumpulkan PTS? Kalau nggak ngaku kasih 0 ya.
PTS ini kan mau bilang kan ngajak IPA-nya metode kan, simpelnya kan cuma ada 4. Nah itu
Oke, bagus punya Michael bagus sudah.
sama yang M itu
Gak apa-apa.
isian, Mister.
Gak apa-apa, punya Michael bagus, IPA-nya bagus sudah. Ya. Yuk tekad yang agenda.
Tinggal IPA sama SPDP aku Mister.
Iya. Besok itu ada beberapa anak ya. Mister belum hafal, besok pagi masih enggak ngumpulkan proyek lagi PTS ya. Marah lo ya, Mister. Tulis Thursday, September 24. Mister share.
Mau putus nanti join lagi ya.
Ya.
Mau putus nanti join lagi.
Ya, kalau sudah selesai nulis agenda enggak usah join lagi.
Kok 9.20, Mister? Bukannya 10.20 ya?
Ya, it's okay. I'm sorry. Ditulis dulu agendanya.
Mister, aku mau tanya.
Apa?
Yang mat halaman 79 yang nomor 5 sampai 6 itu apa ya, Mister?
5 sampai 6 kan sudah diganti.
Itu dong, Mister.
Soalnya udah diganti toh kemarin. Nanti Olive chat Mister Adi aja. Nanti Mister kasih soalnya lagi.
Iya, Mister.
Mister, agendanya cuma ini, ta?
Nah, Mister mau kasih mencongak tapi kalian belum bisa itu pecahannya. Nanti Mister lihat PR kalian dulu.
Oke, see you, Mister. See you. Thank you, Mister. Thank you, Mister.
See you.
Thank you, Mister. See you.
Apa? Ya, finish.
See you, Mister.
See you.
See you Mister.
Mister, boleh live.
Ya, boleh. See you.
Diintin kalau
See you.
Ngumpulin PR nggak dikumpulin. Audrey, besok Mister cek lihat pekerjaan Audrey ya. Oke? See you. Iki lucu.